Lot number 219 is a Powermatic bandsaw. This one was removed from service and brought to storage a couple of months ago. It's been sitting out here exposed to the weather. It shows some surface rust. It appears to be complete as far as I can tell. This one does not have a power plug. The wires are cut here. I guess it was wired right in. Heavy duty machine, and it's still in good shape. And the paint still looks good, but it is starting to show surface rust. Working conditions are unknown. It's being sold as is. It's lot number 219. Good luck.